you guys. Today we're going to be doing the cheese challenge. So, this is the people we're going to be doing with me. Charlie.
What's up?
And Victoria.
What's up?
So, what we're going to do,
What's up?
what we're going to do is we're going to get this box of Cheez-Its, right? Get it. What we're going to do is get these box of, don't fight over it. Going to get these boxes. Get these boxes of Cheez-Its. And what we're going to do is, there's these flavors on the back, right?
So cute.
Don't do that. And we have to eat as many. We have to take one Cheez-It. Close our
one.
There's different ones in here. So we're gonna take one Cheez-It, close our eyes, and find out which one. But this is the trick challenge. So all of them.
Excuse me, we can't do that.
Are the same.
I'm not gonna do it.
And we're back. Now, you have some salt, no salt, pepper jack. So I'm gonna start. Wait, you're not starting yet.
Honey,
You grab one.
okay. You're not starting.
Habanero. It's okay though, because I eat a lot of stuff.
Okay, my turn.
So now it's his turn. Habanero, cheese, or Rex. Which one is it?
It's a Rex, the saucy one.
It's a Rex, the saucy.
Ah, it's salty. Salty.
So now it's my baby sister's turn. Now, which one is it? Habaneros. Well,
Mama, put it back to me. See
I'll
the
be back.
cheesy sour.
I'll be back in a couple of seconds. Wait,
It's a
wait.
cheese. The cheesy one.
Okay, she had a cheese. So right now, we'll be right back with dance mode. So anyway, now, what we're gonna do now
Is we're gonna start the bucket.
I'm gonna see if I can stack how many Cheez-Its I can stack in my mouth. Ready, go. I can't.
Oh. 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 A bumble boy.
Can't do it anymore, so goodbye.
Peace out.
Goodbye, you guys.